How many of us do this to store our cord? Well, that's been us for a while. And I'll be honest, I just don't feel like it's the best way to store your cord. Well, in comes MorRyde's product here, the Cord Keeper. Easily stores your 7-way power cord. So I'm pretty excited about this. I think it's a fairly simple installation of slapping a magnet right there and then wrapping the cord. So I'm excited to not have to stuff it up in there and have a little bit neater way to handle the cord. So hopefully this is easy to open up. It looks like it. All right, it's as easy as that. Just get it in the right spot and you're good to go. I just have to figure this part out.
Did that the opposite way.
Simple as that. Okay, have you ever tried something yourself and you just don't feel like you're doing it the best way? Well, when in doubt, thanks to MorRyde, you can go to their website and they have a tutorial on how to use the Cord Keeper. And let me tell you, I was not doing it right. So, here, this is how they recommend you do it. I've watched the video on my phone. Simply stick this, stick this in here. And roll it up. Once you have it rolled up, magnet side up, that's how they recommend doing it, not the way that I did it. So once you do it, it's up out of the way. We always have trouble with the breakaway cable too, so I'm just going to say you can add that to the mix. The video did not say that, but tuck it in and you've got all your cords out of the way. When you're ready to take off again, just take it down, unreel, slap it back up there. The magnet is strong enough it's going to stay there when you're ready to go again. Be sure not to wrap your breakaway cable around it. All right, another product installed.